Hello everyone. So in this lesson, we will see what is ultrasonic distance measuring sensors, and we will make our third project, that is smart shoes for blind people. So here we will explain what is ultrasonic sensors, its working principles, its working mechanisms, as well as how to use this sensor using Arduino. After that, we will make the smart shoes using ultrasonic distance measuring sensor and vibration motor. So in this project, we will make the shoes that will inform the user, alert the user if any object or anything approaching near the user. We will teach our students how to make the circuits, how to program the Arduino board, and how to use the sensors and actuators. That's it for today's video. Bye.